Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim's Urea BUN kit. Yeah, you can see the code number over here 120214, and this is an Erba Urea BUN kit, and this pack consists of reagent 1, urea reagent 5 into 20 ml, urea standard 50 mg per dl 1 into 5 ml, and Aqua 4 1 into 100 ml, and this is compatible with all Erba machines, and this is a C certified product. At the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to show you the side view of the box. This is the side view. You can find the brand name over here, Erba Mannheim's. This is the top view. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. To summarize it, this pack consists of reagent 1, urea reagent 5 into 20 ml, urea standard 50 mg per dl 1 into 5 ml, Aqua 4 1 into 100 ml. These are the overall kit present inside the pack. Thank you.